Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. DEVINCI here with a hair tutorial. In today's video, I show you guys how I get these messy, really cute, distressed, natural looking, I don't know, it's just a lot of texture here. They're faux locks. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this tutorial. If you're interested in seeing how I got them, keep watching. What I want to stress is that you can literally use any type of hair that you want. The more textures of hair you have, the better the hair looks, honestly. If you haven't already checked out the tutorial on how I did these bohemian braids, which are totally a vibe, be sure to check the card in the description. So for this goddess bohemian messy locks tutorial, you can use whatever type of hair you have. Like if you don't get the kind of hair that I have, it's totally fine. I'm gonna show you the array of hairs that I'm gonna be using because I will be using different textures. I'm gonna use this Caribbean Afri texture, which is in the color 1B27. I'm gonna also use this Freetress braid water wave, which girls normally use for passion twist. This is in a color number 30. And then Afro is Mambo Cranky Afro Kinky in the color number 4. So I'm gonna be using different textures. This is the first lock that I have, and I use the Mambo Afro curl for this. What we're gonna do is just begin separating the hair. So we just take our fingers. Mind you guys, I have a ton of faux lock tutorials. I say fox locks all the time because it's just so much easier for me to say fox locks. People get so pissed off. They're like, it's faux locks. And I know that it's faux locks, but sometimes my brain, my dyslexic brain sees fox and I say fox, but people get so pissed. So I'm gonna be taking my faux locks, okay? I just added 2 pieces together and it's spread apart. Hold the hair, go around a few times. 1, 2, 3. That helps to secure the hair onto the braid. Then we begin going down. And this one I'm not gonna make as loose. And to make it smoother, what you do, you just kind of like take your thumb and hold it around. This is the easiest thing you could do because it could come out messy and it still be a vibe, you know? Okay, so as far as you want them down, now we're gonna start wrapping it back up. This is just to help secure the lock. You can really just like hold it and go around. That's it. Since it's in the front, we're gonna do it lightly. So we're going to add it, go over a few times lightly, make sure little baby hairs are out 3 times just so it's on there. Now we're going to begin lightly, and I say lightly because it's on our edge. We don't want it to pull out our hair. And then begin wrapping it down. Lock it with some glue. Careful so you don't hurt yourself or your teeth. And as you guys can see, it's kind of like wavy, totally a vibe. Wrap it around a few times. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll begin pulling it out. So what I do when I get to the part where the hair is short, like right here, I'll like take this piece out. And then that's literally how you get the hairs to sprout. So guys, in random areas I've been adding passion twists just for some added texture. And personally for me, the longer that I wear them, like in about a week or so, come Thanksgiving, these are gonna be so cute. Like the looser they get and the messier they get, the cuter they look. So I'm gonna just put this into this passion twist. This one is easy. And I just have them randomly throughout my head. So I'm gonna just put it here, literally tie 2 knots. And then keep twisting. And that's how you add the jewel. We can put it behind our ear if we pleased. So this side is looking cool. The passion twists, they just give you a cuter type of lock. And I begin wrapping it. I wrap it around the base a good 3-4 times. 1, 2, 3. So wrap it 3 times just to get it on there. And then I take my thumb, hold it in place, and just begin wrapping down. The tighter you wrap it, the tighter the curl, the messier you wrap it, the looser the lock, and the messier this looks. Some have been super tight, some have been loose. Let me move this out the way. Some have been loose. I've been using different hair so I can have different textures. And then you just wrap around it. Very easy. So that's just how I add extra texture. And then we bring it down. Now we're gonna just wrap it back up. Wrap it back up, and to seal the ends, any type of nail glue would work. If you had super glue, like if that's all you had, just make sure your hair, like if you have long hair, have longer locks. Otherwise use nail glue. But if you have super glue and like short hair, because my hair is like all the way up here, then super glue would work. And just dot it on there. I think I might low-key have these for Christmas. What they're looking like now, I'm just going around to see if I want more things locked up. And then start our journey on down so you guys can see the messier we do it. Organic looking lock, which to me is the vibe that I'm going for. And I would tell you to pick up a few glue bottles because the last thing you want to do is run out of glue. So now we're going to add our jewels and our crochet. So I've got some little puka shells, a few more hoops, but I've added them throughout the hair, and then just some of these. You can get these from your local beauty supply. I'm going to be adding some crochet hair, like in between. Water. So I'm gonna take like this little piece right here. I'm gonna cut it. So I cut the crochet. And just make this real random. You don't even need a lot of them. They just add some more texture. See what colors we want. Then we have some string. So we're just gonna go with 2 colors. You guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.